givote si VP Sara. For me, sir, I would agree. Kay it's the majority manggod.
Kung
Kung
isang
isang ayon
ang
ang majority of Iligan.
Mo na imong stand.
Yes, sir. But sad to say, dili man majority of Iligans mo, yes, kay we are Mindanaoans. And at the same time, givote si VP Sara sa 168,000 ka
Okay.
Iliganons. Of course, kabalon mang tagod nga gibutang-butangan na gyud siya.
So, ang imong stand ana sir, if nag-consult siya, okay ra unta.
Yes, kay dili man ka ma-blame kay pwede man nimo i-ask, di ba? Nag-consult ko ninyo before I decided. So you cannot blame me nga ni-sign ko, di ba?
Niingon ba siya nga nag-consult siya or that was his last call, iya personal call?
I think that was his own personal decision, sir.
Okay, at least no.
Yes.
So wata kabalog gyud unsay kuan ana. Pero mo to imong stand.
Yes, sir. Kay kung if ever man good, sir, nga he did consult kanang gipangutan na siya, oh, ni pirma lagi ka kong ana, he would proudly say na, di ba? I already
Okay.
consulted
Kasabot
you.
eh.